Keep going. No, it's been 40 seconds. You're close to a minute.
I don't know what else dance moves to do.
Do other ones. Just come up.
These dance moves.
Dude, you gotta keep going. You can't be slowing. You're slowing down. You gotta go fast. Just keep wiggling. That's a bad dance move. There you go. Minute 35.
Minutes.
10 more seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Finale, big finish.
Ah!